This ready-made lesson plan on Your Personal Life Plan is for learners in grades 6 to adult with a simplified reading level of grade 3. Become empowered as you move through life with the tools needed to develop a life plan. 60 pages of content within 6 chapters make up the bulk of this unit. We also include an assessment rubric, a critical thinking skills rubric, and a vocabulary list. Every chapter has a Before You Read section to see what learners already know about the topic, ideal for differentiated learning. Understand that a life vision is made up of components that must be balanced. The reading passage is where you'll find all the curriculum content. Get to know your strengths and weaknesses as they relate to your personal identity. The After You Read sections include short and long questions for comprehension, followed by a graphic organizer. Get help resetting your goals with a step-by-step process. Create your own action plan as a part of prioritizing your life plan. The hands-on activities are extension activities designed to get your students thinking and elaborating on everything they have learned so far. Take a quiz to find out how important your personal values are to you. The Easy Marking Answer Key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 6 color mini posters completes the resource. Follow the steps to eliminating roadblocks as you define your current reality. Your Personal Life Plan is just one resource of a 3-part series on applying life skills. Visit our website to see other volumes, including Your Personal Development and Your Personal Relationships.